How to buy Adobe Photoshop. To get started, head down and click the link just below this video. This is going to take you across to the official Adobe website. Then we're going to head up to the top left hand side, click Creativity and Design, and under Featured Products we're going to select Photoshop. This is going to take us to the official Photoshop page, and you can check all the amazing features you get access to here. We're going to click on the blue Buy Now button, and then you can choose between individuals, business, students and teachers, schools and universities. Most of us are going to be the individuals. Then you're going to choose between the Creative Cloud Pro plan, which gives you access to Photoshop, but it also gives you access to all of the other cool apps that Adobe offers, including Illustrator, Premiere Pro, Acrobat Pro, and Adobe Firefly, and all the amazing AR features that you get access to. You also get 4,000 generative AR credits inside of the Pro plan. So that is the bonus, and that's why it is the best value for you. If you are just a photographer, then you can go for the photography plan, which is Photoshop and Lightroom combined. If you just want access to Photoshop, then you can go for the Photoshop only option. But most of the time, and it depends on when you are watching this video, the pricing might be a little bit different to what you're seeing here. Most of the time, your photography plan is actually more affordable than the Photoshop only plan. So if that's the best one, then go for that. We're going to go for the Creative Cloud Pro option because we want all the other apps, and we're going to try out those extra generative AR credits. So click the blue select button, and then we need to choose a subscription option. Now there's the monthly, the annual build monthly, and the annual prepaid. If you're a high roller, you can go for the annual prepaid and not worry about a thing. If you are looking at the monthly or the annual build monthly, one of the things to think about is the annual build monthly. If you decide to cancel it early before your 12 months is up, then there are fees that apply to that early cancellation. If you just want to use it for a few months and then stop, then go for the monthly only option, even though it is a little bit more expensive. That's completely up to you. We're going to choose the monthly only option and click on the blue continue button. And then we're going to add in the Adobe stock trial, which gives you access to 10 free standard assets and gives you a 1 month free trial to try it out. If you want to add in your frame.io video collaboration tool, you can select it here. And if you want to add in AR for Acrobat in your PDFs, then you can select it here. And then on the right hand side, I want you to check that your due now is exactly what you have selected for the different options, and then have a look if you decide to continue with the Adobe stock. Then if you decide to continue with Adobe stock after the trial ends, just check what date that trial ends and how much extra is going to be added onto your subscription. Once you're happy, click on the blue continue button. Then we're going to enter our email address and click on continue. And in the second step, we're going to enter our payment information. Once we've entered the payment information, the Creative Cloud app will start downloading on your PC or your Mac, and then you can download Photoshop and start using it. If you get stuck anywhere along the way, or if you have any questions on how to buy Adobe Photoshop online, then let us know in the comment section down below, and we'll be happy to help you out. We hope you enjoy Photoshop as much as we do. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.